Hey guys, Sean here at K2 Trades. Today I'm going to be going over trend lines, and more specifically, what are trend lines and why are trend lines used. So if you guys aren't familiar with trend lines, they're basically just lines on the chart indicating the direction of the trend. So as you can see right here, price is clearly trending down, but to get a better visualization, people use trend lines to zone in on that specific area. So what people usually do is they'll start the trend line from the high of the current price, which is up here if we were trading from this direction, and then you would tie it to the next high. So as you can see down here, price created a high, it created a low, and then it created a high, giving you a good illustration as to the direction of trend. And you guys have to remember that drawing trend lines are subjective. I know some people draw them from the wick like I do. Some people just draw them from the body like down here. And there's no right or wrong way to do it. It just really depends on your preference. So if you want to, know where the wicks are, then you'll draw it from the wicks. Personally, I think the wicks are more accurate because you can see, where price actually comes up and tests. But some people draw them from the body. And this makes it a lot easier for you to determine which direction to be trading. Because obviously you wouldn't want to be trading in the opposite direction of the trend unless price breaks the trend like it did right here. And the main reason why people use these trend lines are to, understand when price is going to be switching in the opposite direction. So as you can see right here, price tested this top area, came down, tested this area again, came down, tested this area. So in this situation, you could have drawn a second trend line. So if you wanted to do that, you just click on the trend line tool, and then you'll go from this high right here, and just connect it to this bottom right here. So these two are connected. This is a high, and then this is a high. And this will give you a good understanding as to where price will be reversing from. So in this situation, you're obviously going to be taking sells, and then once price breaks this trend, you can switch to buys. And then that makes it very simple for you to determine, which direction you should be trading in. In the other videos, I'm going to be showing you guys how I draw trend lines manually and how I draw trend lines with other indicators. So let's move on to those videos next.
K2, yeah, we headed for the top now. K2, yeah, we call it when it drop down.